Hey guys, so welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. How do you add new product in TikTok Shop? It's really simple, so bear with me on this one. So on here, on the add product menu, you could add the image here, the product name. So once you've added your image, you can just go ahead and type in the product name. In this case, it's boxing gloves for men. Scroll down a little bit here. Product details, you could add in the details here. You can add then the variations, the brand. In this case, this is Venom, the brand that I'm trying to sell here. You can add the image here. Click on done once everything is on set. The shipping, if you want cash on delivery. That's how quick it is. Okay, so submit for review, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.